welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another video for Halloween, and I'm also using the NikkieTutorialsxBeautybay palette as well as the Rawbeautykristi Pure Cosmetics palette. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So with today's video, I am starting off with my face fully done. So I didn't do much for my brows as I will be adding colour into them later. But I did pop on my primer, foundation, concealer and setting powder just as per usual. So to start this look off, I just used my Pur X eyeshadow base in shade 0, which is the white base. And what I did was I just lined out where I'm going to be placing the colours on my face, just so the white will help it stand out more. And then I just filled it in until I was happy with the coverage and with the outline. So the first palette I'm picking up is the NikkieTutorialsxBeautybay palette. I'm going into the shade Amsterdam and just using a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just mapping out the areas that I want the blue patches to be, and I'm just filling them in. So this color is just being used as a base. I will then go over top of it with something else, but I just want to start off with a blue base. Once I've mapped out all the blue patches, I then go in with Duraline and Mama Tutorials mixed together. So the Duraline just intensifies all the colours and it turns a powder shadow into more of like a liquid shadow. So then I go over top using those on the blue patches just to intensify it and make it more of a metallic blue look. With the remaining white patches, I then go into the Rawbeautykristi Pure Cosmetics palette. I go into the shade Side Effect with another fluffy blending brush, and I just use the pink shade as the base again, so I will go over it with a bit more of a metallic-y colour once I have mapped out all the pink. And I just make sure to blend in any harsh edges so that it looks neater. Once side effect is all mapped out, I go back in with the Duraline just on a clean brush and I just pat it on side effect just to intensify that colour. I then go back into NikkieTutorialsxBeautybay palette and I go in with Pride and just pop a thin layer of that over top of side effect. To intensify my eyes a little bit more, I just go in with the shade Ivy. Using a bigger brush, I then go back into the Rawbeautykristi Pure Cosmetics palette and I go into the shade Lumos and I just pop that all over the colours to set it in place and just to lighten any of the areas that are too dark. I also use this to blend out any edges that are too harsh. Going back into the NikkieTutorialsxBeautybay palette, I use the shade Pride and I just pop that on my nose and blend it out. Now I have the colours all set in place, I just use a very small brush and some white face paint and I pop on the crosses and the dots to make it look like stars. Once I have that galaxy sort of look, I then jump in and do a very small winged liner, pop on some false lashes and some mascara. Also some white liner on my waterline. I then finish up with combing through my lashes just to make sure there's no clumps, and then do my lips. So I'm just using a purple lipstick here and then the metallic-y pink lipstick I pop on top to give it that galaxy sort of look as well. And that is the finished look for today. So I'm calling this a unicorn fairy galaxy look. Let me know down in the comments what you would name this one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I post fun little reels like this and any other content that doesn't make YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!